Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. And today is a very special day because you always see me sitting behind this amazing drum set, but now you're going to get something new. And that something new is the Yamaha EAD50. And we're going to go over some of the sounds that's in this thing and why I've chosen to use it for recording my drums and triggering in my productions now. Now, when we look at this kit, you may say, how are you going to mic this and get the sound in and it sound like you have multiple mics on it? Well, with the EAD50, you have 5 XLR inputs. But right now for this demonstration, I'm only going to use the microphone that comes with the unit that you place on your bass drum hoop. That has a trigger on it, as well as it has this 5-pin cable that breaks out into 2 3-pin cables that comes to the back of the unit, and that is your stereo. Okay? Now, as far as when I actually start making the video, the sound you will hear will be directly from the EAD50. And how are we going to get that sound out is simply by using this USB-C cable to USB-C. And when you open up your iPad Pro, which is what I have, it's a very cool thing. You open up Final Cut Pro or the video portions of it, and then you select the EAD50 as your sound source. So at that point, the great sound that the microphone is picking up or your triggers are now going to come into your iPad Pro. So let's go over a couple of more things before we do the video. So for this recording, the setting right now is on dry. And what this means is there is no effects, no compression, no EQ, no limiter. Just the microphones picking up the sound of the drums in this room. We can later on engage a kick drum mic that I have on it, as well as a snare mic that I have on it, as well as a hi-hat. But for right now, we are turning off the extra 3 mics. Here we go. Okay, we played around on the kit a little bit with the two microphones. Well, just the overhead microphone that comes with the unit. So now we're going to engage the kick drum mic, snare mic, and hi-hat mic. And now you'll hear the difference with all of the mics working together. Here we go. Well, thank you very much for watching. And once again, just tuning in to some of the new things that I have going on here in my studio. And I will be making quite a bit of videos on this EAD50 by Yamaha. The unit itself is a very deep dive. So you can make videos on this thing possibly for the next year and not completely know every single thing about it. It's just that vast of what it does as a piece of electronic equipment for drummers and taking us potentially someplace that we haven't gone before. So I look forward to the discovery for myself and sharing that with you guys here on my channel. Once again, I appreciate you watching, and I'm gonna go play some more drums. Peace, everyone. Have a good week.